my friends, today we're going to be replacing this windshield on this Nissan Versa. Tell you guys what year it is. Hey, what year is this Versa? What year is this? So it's a 2018 Nissan Versa and we're going to be replacing the windshield. So first we're going to start with removing the rearview mirror. A lot of these guys will have a screw here. Normally it's a T20 or T15. That means step number 2, we remove these side trims. My wife already did. We're gonna remove the molding pieces, and you'll see why. Should come right out. These Versas are pretty easy to do. So I'm gonna proceed and do this side as well. So you go and you get the veteran. So this is the oldest, ugliest hammer we got. Look at that. It's still working. So we're gonna do a little tap. Tapping it down here, and it should start sliding slowly. Just like that, came right off. On the pulling knife, we removed this trim, and now we're gonna go under the glue and cut it. We're gonna start with the small, and then the large one, or long. So I was cutting the glue from underneath. You'll see what is happening here pretty soon. Becoming loose. So it's cutting right under the glass, but on top of the glue. So check this out. We are not even 10 minutes into the job, and the windshield is 75% removed. All we got to do, cut the bottom with the extractor, and it'll be out. We're using this tool for it's an extractor. It looks like a saw with a long blade and a good amount of water. I think that's lubricated and it's getting too hot. We also put masking tape in that area so we don't get any scratch. So now we have the oil glue. So we got this razor blade with this nice handle, and we kind of just cut off all the excess glue. We're gonna leave a little bit in behind, but we're gonna remove most of it. So that's what the oil glue looks like. That's what we got. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the oil urethane. We're gonna add some primer on top. A little bit of rust going on, and then we'll be ready for the. Now we're gonna use this with our urethane to lay down the new glue, and it will look just like that. Here we go. So now we have the new glue down. All we're gonna do is put the new windshield in and be ready and on the way. And here is the windshield. There we go. So that is it, guys. This is the end product. I hope you guys like and enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Let us know everything we did wrong, everything we did right, and we'll hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.